Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve one math from indices topic. Okay, so here solve the following equation. This we have to solve this. Okay, so as you can see, this is 4 to the power x, and this is 2 to the power 3 minus x, and here 2 to the power 3x and 8 to the power x minus 2. So first of all, before solving this math, we need to know indices formula. Okay. So one formula is that a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay. So here this is a and this is a, right? So if the bases are same, that time we can add it power together. Okay. So this is base and this is another base and this is power in and this is n. Okay. So power, whatever it is, we don't need to think about that. We have to think if the base is same, we can add it power together. Okay. So then a to the power m plus n. Okay, this is one formula, and another formula is that this multiplication formula and divide formula. Under is a to the power m and a to the power n. Okay, if the base is same, like this is a and this is a, the base are same. Okay, so a can be 1 2 3 4 5 whatever it is, and this base can be whatever it is. But if the bases are same, we can subtract like that. M is just copy, and then this, there is nothing means plus sign. Okay, so there is nothing means plus sign. So if I transfer it, it will be minus n. Okay, so if it is minus, if we transfer it, it will be plus n. Okay, so these two formula we have to use for doing this math. Okay, so here this is 2 and this is 4 2 4 and this is 8. So which bases base are small, we have to find it first. Okay, so here 2 4 8, this is 2, so 2 is small, right? Okay, so we try to all the bases make 2, right? Okay, so this is 4, so 4 equal, we can write 2 multiply 2. Okay, and 2 multiply 2 equal, we can write like there is power, right? There is power, nothing means 1, and there is power, nothing means 1. Okay, so since the bases are same, we can add it power together, 1 plus 1, and this is 2 a square. Okay, and another thing is that this is 8. Okay, so we have to make 2 base and power something. So how? So 8 equal, we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, so there is nothing means power 1, nothing means power 1, and nothing means power 1. Okay, so we can write 1 1 1. So all the bases are same, right? So what you have to do, we have to add it all the power. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's mean 2 to the power 3. Okay, now we are gonna replace, what you are gonna replace, like this is 4, so 4 equal, we can write 2 to the power 2, that's mean 2 square, right? 2 square, so 2 square equal power, this power is x, is copy. Okay, and this is 2, so we don't need to change it, we just keep the same thing. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 minus x. Okay, fine, and then, and this is 2, so we don't need to change it, we just copy it. Okay, so 2 to the power 3x. Okay, so now this is 8, right? So 8 mean what? 8 mean this one, right? 8 mean 2 to the power 3, that's mean 3 times 2, right? Okay, so 8 replacing, we can write 2 to the power 3. Okay, so 8 replacing, we can write 2 to the power 3 and this is x minus 2 is just copy. Okay, now okay, so this is 2 and we have another this formula, power of power. Okay, so like this is m and this is m. Okay, this is called power of power formula. Okay, so this is m is power of a and m and n is power of this. Okay, so we can power of power, if this is power of power, this is power and this is another power, so we can multiply together like m multiply n. Okay, and then for this reason we can write like this is 2 and this is power 2 and another power is x. So power we can multiply together, that's means 2 multiply with x. Okay, so 2x. Okay, and then all you have to do, we have to just copy it. Okay, just copy it. 2 3 to the power 3 minus x. Okay, and then equal and 2 to the power 3x, just copy it. Okay, so same thing here, this is base is 2 and already I told you power of power multiply together like m multiply n. This is power and this is another power. Okay, so here this is 3 power and this is another power, so we have to multiply together. Okay, so we have to multiply this 3 with x, so we can write it directly 3x. Okay, and 3 multiply with 2, so there is nothing means plus and there is minus, so plus and minus will be minus, right? And 3 multiply with 2. Okay, so 3 multiply with 2, it will be 6. Okay, now as you can see all the bases are same. Okay, so now easily we can solve it. Okay, so now we have to use divide formula, right? So now this is 2 base and power addition and this is 2 base and power addition, but all the bases are same now. Okay, so then we have to take this one first. So 2 to the power 2x. So if I transfer, since the base are same, if I transfer this power outside, that time we have to take here minus and then 3 minus x. 3 minus x, like that, this formula. Like there is a to the power m, first of all we have to take here and this here minus n. If this is plus it will be minus n, if minus it will be plus n. Okay, got it? So there is in front of this positive sign, so if I transfer here outside, that time we have to check here negative. Okay, so here this is just 2 to the power 3, just copy here. Okay, and again the same thing happen if I transfer outside, that if I may use here formula, that time we have to write here minus because there is positive sign. Okay, so minus 3x and 6, got it? Okay, and then we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Okay, so then you can write 2x minus 3 minus x equal 3x minus 6. Okay, now we have to simplify easily. Okay, so 2x is here, so this minus and there is nothing means plus. Okay, so minus and plus is minus 3. Okay, and this minus plus x. Okay, and then this 6. Okay, so just 6 is copy here. Okay, and minus multiply this plus, there is nothing means plus. If it is minus, that then this minus and this minus will be plus. Since there is nothing, that time what you have to do, we have to multiply minus and plus is minus 3x. Okay, and minus plus 6. Okay, so now this is 2x and this is x, so we have to simplify, we have to add it together, this one and this one. So 2x and 1x, 3x, and this is minus 3 equal, this is there's nothing means positive plus 3x and this is minus 3x. Since this is different sign and same thing, we can cancel out together, right? So cancel, and there is only 6. Okay. So now this is 3x, and this is x, and this is minus 3, right? Since this is minus 3, if I transfer it right side, it will be plus 3. If it is plus 3, if I transfer it, it will be minus 3. But here's minus 3, it will be plus 3, okay? Okay. And then this is 3x, and 6 plus 3 is 9, right? Okay. Now, okay. So this 3x equal 9, okay? If I we have to find out value of x, okay? So if I transfer, since they are multiply together, x and 3 multiply together, if these two things multiply together, if I want to transfer this 3 to the right side, it will be divide, okay? That's mean like that. X equal, we can write 9 by 3, okay? And then 3. So x equal, we got 3. So thank you very much.